In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload audio files to ChatGPT. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. We'll start from a fresh browser window, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear, useful prompt that gets your audio processed just the way you want. So first things first, open your favorite web browser. For many of us, that'll be Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once you've got your browser open, head over to Google. In the Google search bar, type ChatGPT and then hit Enter. When the search results pop up, look for the official ChatGPT website. It should be pretty easy to spot. If you land on a page that looks like a chat interface, you're definitely in the right place. Now, if you're already signed into your account, you can just continue. But if you haven't signed in yet, go ahead and do that now. This will ensure you have access to all of ChatGPT's features, including file uploads. Once you're signed in and the chat page loads, take a look at the message box at the bottom of the screen. You'll see a small plus icon right next to where you type your messages. Go ahead and click that plus icon. This will open up a menu that allows you to bring content into your conversation. From this menu, look for the option that says Add Photos and Files. This tells ChatGPT that you want to attach something from your device rather than simply typing out a message. When you click that, a file picker will pop up, allowing you to browse your computer or phone to find the audio file you want to upload. When you're browsing through your files, you'll want to choose an audio format that's compatible. Common formats like MP3, WAV, and M4A work well. If you happen to have multiple versions of the audio, I recommend picking the clearest recording. This is important because clean audio leads to better transcripts and summaries, enhancing the overall quality of the output. Also, a little tip. If your file name is a jumble of letters and numbers, you might want to rename it to something meaningful before uploading. For example, name it interview_January_MP3. This way, it's much easier to spot and reference when you create your prompt. Just a note, larger files may take a little longer to upload depending on your internet connection, so be patient and let the progress finish before you move on. Once your file appears in the chat composer, you'll see an option to type a prompt if you want to. This step is optional, but let me tell you, it makes a big difference in the quality of the response you'll get. The more specific you are about your goal, the finer the results will be. For instance, you can write something like, "Please transcribe this audio verbatim and add timestamps every minute." Or if you want a concise overview, you might say, "Summarize the key points and list action items." Perhaps you're looking to get a translation. In that case, you can ask, "Translate this audio to English and provide a short summary." If your recording includes multiple speakers, don't hesitate to mention that in your prompt by saying something like, "Label speakers if possible." Or if you're interested in the central themes discussed in the recording, you can ask for a bulleted outline of those themes. Remember, clarity is your best friend here. It helps ChatGPT focus on what really matters to you. Once you've typed your prompt, you're ready to send the message. Just hit that send button, and the processing time will vary depending on the length and quality of your audio, so just give it a moment. And that's all there is to it. To recap, open ChatGPT, click on that plus icon, and seamlessly upload your audio file. You're now ready to get the most out of your audio uploads. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.